All right, this is the 6-inch by 18-inch Harig Bridgeport Easy Surf CNC surface grinder. Serial number 107EZ.
And maybe we'll do a quick walk around here, starting obviously with the front. It's under power, and we can play around with it as needed. Do a quick traverse grind and maybe a plunge grind. Cycle with it in MDI, which we'll do in a minute. Hand wheels, pretty basic stuff up front here. And of course, electronic on the servos for the axes. And that's our speed control for the table. If I remember, I'll play with that while we're resipping the table. Coming around, table lock, of course, for disengaging the table. Lower switchgear panel, I/O. Main disconnect, transformers, all kinds of good stuff here. We are currently temped in on my line right there at 220. That's what I'm bringing to the machine. Coming around, watch yourself, yeah. Spindle motor, servo motor, and cooling system, and lots of cords back here. Some of them, we got the 4 receptacles there, auxiliary, lighting I'm using. We got oil up in the well, we got oil up in the glass. You see when we turn it on, there's the Y servo motor, hand wheel if needed. When we power it up again, like I said, so. And lower cabinet down here. What we got? Yeah, we got the hard drive down low here, of course. Yep. And the BMDC board, several other boards in there. I forget half the names of them. Floppy drive's up to the right there, that's on board, hanging off the door there. And down low here with the two green lights on them are the 2 access drives, Y and Z. All fully up and running, fully functional. And we can power up the hydraulics off the board here, and maybe just do a back and forth with the table a little bit and shut that off and then go into an MDI. And I've got a quick little cycle in there of maybe a 1-inch cycle grind for surface and traverse. So just to turn it on, it's power. And that should give us, well, go to jog, get the hand wheels going, jog Z, or hand wheels, there's Z. The speed control does work, we can play with that maybe while we're running, or off the buttons here. So there's one wheel, and of course Y, let me see if that, I can't get out of the way. Watch Y, and here's Y's handle, so up and down. That's fine feed. If you stay right on the screen there, you can pull back and watch them both. I could also do rapid, and that's in and out again. And then there's, if I change over, go to Y, up and down pretty much. Okay, I don't know if you can see that moving up there, so. Oh, it works really nice. I can slow it down, I think, real slow as I'm moving. Can't see. Or speed it up, go the other way. Slow it down, speed it up. Same thing with the table. Real slow, come back, slow, fast. It's all good. Let's turn on the table, get out of this, and do just an MDI, an event type thing. 6, I think it is, yeah, from 5 inches to 11 inches. We can just put that on. Enter through that, and she goes. And here we can play with the speed control now. If you way over here, that's all that is. We slow this thing down now, and I think we can. We're fastest. Yeah, here we go. There we go. A little bit slower, a little bit faster. That's not bad. We can leave it right there. Go back in again. Event, just an MDI, go through the same thing again, zero it out, and tell it to in 0, enter, should stop. And that's it, so we're good there. And to go right back into a, what else we got? Oh, spindle on, I could probably show that real fast. That thing sounds real. I have to have it on anyhow to run my cycle, so we'll just leave it on, but I'm gonna turn the spindle on. That sounds really nice. And shut it off once you power it up again. seconds. There we go. And we'll power it up again. Yeah, that's a nice running spindle. We'll leave it on, cover it back up, because I have to have it on, like I said, to run my cycle here. That's on, and hand wheel out, yeah, otherwise it won't let us do anything here. Like I said, I've already homed it, so we should be good to go. We'll just go into a plunge cycle here. So, 9. We're gonna go 2 inches on Y, 4 inches on Z, and we're only going about 1 inch on each one. And the step size is, I just got a 300,000, so jerks, and you can really see what's happening on Y and Z. So you'll kind of see this, and if you hold the camera really still, you'll be able to see what's going on out here. So I'm gonna walk through this, enter all this. I've got a 2 spark out recip on there. I was gonna change it to 1. We don't really need 2. That 1, we'll enter that, and we're good to go. All we have to do is hit start cycle, and we're gonna do our plunge cycle here. We should be good. Yeah, let's do it. There it goes. Yeah. Like I said, I'm really moving a lot just so you can see advancement of the Y and Z axes. Move over, come back down. Yeah. We're going down to 1, I think, on this, so we should be there pretty soon here. Yep, there's 1 on that. And end of cycle, home. You want to do 1 more of those, or just go into the traverse cycle? We'll be all right. Okay, so same thing with traverse, actually. If we go into, or sort of what they call surface in this instance, I got the same numbers on that, and the same thing happens in reverse, though now it's a traverse grind. So we'll walk through all that, enter that up. Happy, start, and we go. Now we're doing a traverse grind. Just the opposite, but same numbers. Same thing, we'll go to 1 inch and 4.5. We don't have far to go. Another 100, we're done. Now I've got my 1 Terry cycle in there, which is 2 times across, I think, counts as 1 on the dwell. There it is. All done. Go back home, park left, no, park right, yeah. And good to go there. Get out of this. Power it down. Spindle's running down at the same time. Yeah. That's winding down nice. Yeah, it's a good place to finish off. It's real good. It's a good running machine, Pete.